Children sleeping, snow is softly falling. Dreams are calling like bells in the distance. We were dreamers not so long ago, but one by one we all had to grow up. When it seems the magic slipped away, we find it all again on Christmas Day. Believe in what your heart is saying, hear the melody that's playing. There's no time to waste, there's so much to celebrate. Believe in what you feel inside and give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need if you just believe. Trains move quickly to the journey's end. Destinations are where we begin again. Ships go sailing far across the sea, trusting stars.
Hindi pa rin makapaniwala sa lahat ng nangyayari. Pangarap parang kailan lang sa panaginip ko'y nakita. Ngayon ay dumating nang bigla sa aking buhay. Di naubusan ng pag-asa. Ako'y nanalik sa isang pangarap. Ako'y naniniwala. Ako'y lilipad at ang lahat makakakita. Sa isang pangarap, ako'y naniniwala. Hindi ako titigil hanggat aking makakaya. Unti-unting mararating, tagumpay ko'y makikita. Patuloy ang pangarap. Hindi pa rin makapaniwala sa aking nakikita. Lahat ng panalangin ko ngayon may kasagutan. Lahat ng pinagdaanan at